Hi Capricorn, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and let's do another love read for you. Capricorn, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? Leave the rest. So let's begin. Dear spirit guides, angels, please bless this reading for Capricorn and send them the messages they need to hear the most at this time. Thank you. So Capricorn, as always, let's start with a blessing card from Lord Ganesha, and then we'll take one from our angels as well and start our reading. So Lord Ganesha, what do you have for Capricorn now? Blessing or an advice for my Cappies? Blessing or an advice card from Lord Ganesha. And let's take one from our angels as well. Blessing or an advice card for Capricorn, please. Okay, so the card we'll take from Lord Ganesha is this one, and let's take this from our angels. Let's put the rest back, Capricorn. Let's begin your reading. So Lord Ganesha, Capricorn, gives you the card of steadfastness. Can you see this? Such a beautiful card. It says steadfastness. I have no clue why and how it's going to resonate with your reading, but and we get the card of healing from the angels. Give me 1 second, Capricorn. I would like to read just a line or two about this card since we've got it for the first time. Steadfastness. Okay. So that's page 56. Do not waver back and forth or be moved by the circumstances that are surrounding you at this time. That's a very strong message, Capricorn. I don't know, let's see if it's going to resonate with you. Be focused on your purpose and unwilling to be swayed by what other people think or by what you perceive. Ganesha heartens you by revealing that when you know your effort is not futile, you will be steadfast and immovable. This seems to be a major stumbling block in your life at this time. Perhaps your current job gives you little recognition with no real sense of accomplishment or success. You may feel unheard in your relationship. Possibly the error lies in the fact that in your heart you really feel your struggle is hopeless. You may recognize it on an intellectual level, but you are easily shaken when you do not see the fruit of your exertion. So I'm going to not read the middle part. In the end it says, do whatever is necessary to safeguard your resolve. You are receiving guidance and this is the time to dig in. Remain focused and don't get caught up in trying to create a change. The energy in your relationship is ever changing. Ask Ganesha to bring you the strength to work through what is happening. Stay committed and on track. Do not give up, as change will show up soon and situation will be transformed. Wow. Okay, and there is a lot of healing coming as well. So let's see why all these strong messages are here for you today, Capricorn. Welcome back, my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for showing up and being such a support to the channel. I'm very blessed to have you here. And if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do subscribe to the channel, join us, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, I'm setting down 2 sets of cards. One side is for you, one side is for your person, and in the center we'll have your mutual energies. For the duration of the reading, I will be calling them person A and person B. You decide which side you resonate best with, or not at all. I mean, maybe it's somebody else's story today, right? So here are your mutual energies. Let's begin your reading. The Empress, bottom of my deck, Capricorn. You're in a good place if this is you. Queen above all queens. So if any of you need a private reading, Capricorn, you can email me at my email, which is in the description box below. So let's start opening the cards. Person A gets the Star and the Two of Cups. Seven of Cups, Three of Pentacles, Nine of Pentacles, and the Ace of Cups. Beautiful. Wow. These are gorgeous cards, Capricorn. Let's see the other side. Ace of Wands, Chariot, the Emperor, King of Pentacles, the Moon, and the Knight of Swords. Alright, let's start with the energies of person A. Why is the star here, Spirit, for person A? Somebody is wishing upon a star. This could be the masculine energy. This could be the masculine energy, the side. Somebody's got a lot of passion. They see their partner as a star. They have a lot of love in their heart. They want to take control of the situation. There is a big Two of Cups here with the Emperor and the Ace of Wands. And but somebody here is trying to be a bit defensive here. There is a lack of communication, the Capricorn. Why is this happening? I have no clue, because these beautiful cards on one hand, and then I see somebody kind of being a bit defensive because of lack of communication. But there is so much love here. Somebody has made their choice. They are no longer confused here. The Emperor wants to take charge, to take control. There's passion. There is the Star, the Two of Cups, and a decision that, hey, I know which my cup is, and I'm not wanting to juggle, or I don't want my partner to juggle, and I have chosen one, and I want to work with this person. And yes, this person makes me very happy. There's a lot of happiness and a lot of this person knows what they want, and they know that they want person B. What's this Three of Pentacles, Spirit? Yes, they don't want to wait anymore. They don't want to fight anymore. They don't want any arguments between the two of you. They just want you. Simple. I think till now. And then I have the Ace of Swords as well with the reunion card. Yes, somebody is seeing their partner as the best thing since sliced bread, I think. And they're looking for a reunion. They're totally clear that this is the person I want. And maybe in the past, there were some promises which were not kept. But now whatever was done has happened. Now this person is dead sure, and they now want to remove all this toxic behavior or any toxicity in the relationship. If things have been promised and not delivered, this person is now dead clear on their choice. They know who they want, they know who they love, they know who they have passion for. And here there is that big cup of love as well with the Two of Cups. Wow. What's this Ace of Cups, Spirit? Ace of Cups. What's this Ace of Cups here for person A? Yeah, maybe this relationship came to an end after a fight or something in the past, where maybe it was decided that this is not a balanced relationship, and things kind of ended. But person A is now dead sure. They know that who they want. If this was not a balanced relationship, or if there was an ending to this partnership, person A is now dead sure that they want this brand new beginning. I mean, how many aces have I got for them? I have the Ace of Pentacles, I have the Ace of Cups, I had the Ace of Swords somewhere, Ace of Wands, all the four. Wow. I have all the four aces here for person A. This person knows what they want. They want their Two of Cups, they want their Ace of Cups. They want a reunion, and they want to end anything that didn't work in the past. Wow. 4 aces clarifying 6 cards. With the star energy as well. And the Two of Cups, and oh my God. This is such a beautiful reading. Anyway, no wonder Lord Ganesha is saying, hold on, dig in, don't give up yet. So let's see, person B. Person B has the Ace of Wands in reverse. Why is the Ace of Wands in reverse for them? This probably the past energy. Yes, I think person B, kind of after this fight or whatever happened between the two of you, I think person A decided, hey, I'm not interested. I don't want to fight for this anymore. On the verge of completing, shutting this chapter down. It's time maybe for me to, move on and do something brand new for myself. This is really not going to work out. My passion is gone. I think person A has been in hermit mode for very, very long, thinking, wondering what to do. Should I shut this chapter off completely? Should I have a brand new beginning? Certain secrets have been revealed or something has been unraveled, which this person B, who I think may be the feminine here, who has been kind of thinking about all these truths which have come out, right? Maybe during the fight certain things were said, or in the past something happened which has forced this person to go into hermit mode, and now is thinking that now what do I do? Where do I go from here? So Chariot spirit? Yeah, person B is not feeling grounded after this. They feel all is lost. There is absolutely no way that, this relationship can be, doubting themselves basically, that this is not possible. There is no way that, we can ever get back together. This will never be a secure relationship. Kind of losing hope here. So what's this emperor spirit for them? They have an emperor and a king of pentacles, and I have a king of wands. What's wrong with this person? I have three kings suddenly here. The emperor, the king of wands, and the king of pentacles here. So what is with all these kings, spirit? Why are all these kings here for person B? And I have a very angry feminine here as well. This feminine is very upset and angry. They are coming across as the Queen of Pentacles in reverse and the Queen of Wands in reverse. But why are there so many kings here, Spirit? What are all these kings doing here? Are these past relationships which didn't work out? Or is that how they're seeing all their... Yes, they feel that, each time they've tried maybe to get their 10 of Cups, it's kind of, they've only met up with people who've created mischief in their life. All this person is looking for is happiness. I'm sorry, Capricorn, this is like, it's an amazing reading, yet equally confusing for me right now. So let me see what this moon card is. Why is the moon card here, Spirit? Yes, because this person cannot make up their mind. They are up in their head. They are maybe having to make a choice between a few people here, and all seem really good though, by the way. Capricorn, if this is you, there's the Emperor here, the King of Wands, the King of Pentacles, and yet I see a feminine here who's really angry, upset, and feeling that nothing is going to work out. They've kind of given up on love maybe. Maybe in the past all they were looking for was just happiness and love, and which maybe didn't work out. Maybe they met somebody who was mischievous and their dreams didn't come true. And I think person B is still going through a lot of healing since that breakup, and they're not ready to believe that happiness is possible now. So the moon card, Spirit, moon card. They know they have to make a decision regarding something. Oh, wow. What's this Knight of Swords, Spirit? Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords. Yes, the person B has to make a decision. Maybe they have more than one option right now and they are stressed out. I have 3 cards of decision, and not being at crossroads anymore. I think person B has to make a decision, but I don't think they're believing anyone or anything at the moment. They're quite disillusioned by the whole idea of love. Or Knight of Swords, Knight of Swords. I think whatever has happened in the past for person B, who I think is the feminine, this person has pulled away their love for themselves. They have put a lid on that cup of love, saying, I don't have love for anyone else now. I am on my own journey. I want to grow. I'm now the Queen of Cups, and I'm now the Empress. And they are not willing to. I think some fight in the past, some message, some fight, some argument has turned this person off from trusting in love again. They don't trust anymore. Let's see. King of Cups in reverse, King of Wands again in reverse, and the Hierophant in reverse. Wow. So what's this King of Cups now, Spirit? Okay. I think somebody hurt person B very badly in the past, maybe left them out in the cold, hurt them, was emotionally manipulative to them, and that's the reason. Yes, the person B is now calling judgment on everybody they meet. They are not ready to trust in love again. King of Wands, King of Wands. Yes, but somebody here, I think, my God, this reading is full of King of Cups and the King of Wands. I mean, the amount of kings I have here, my mind is going ballistic now. One more card, Spirit. Again, I have the King of Cups and the King of Wands smack center of my reading. So either somebody needs to choose, or there's been some kind of a fallout with somebody in the past where this person B has lost trust. There is a big need now to start building that trust again with an apology or a love offer. Maybe someone in the past, this feminine has encountered somebody who has been a very, very selfish character, been very, very emotionally manipulative. Okay, so there is a need for a lot of work to be done. Person A, if you are the masculine who wants person B, only love is not enough here. There's a lot of work to be done here to heal this feminine's heart. Hierophant in reverse. Hierophant in reverse. Hierophant in reverse. Absolutely. Somebody has maybe in the past not offered a commitment, been a player to this feminine, now wants to take action, wants to come towards person B, but person B is not interested anymore right now, at least. They're walking away. They are following their own path. They are healing right now. There's a lot of healing time required by this person B. They are not going to trust that easily, person A. You may feel all the love and we get all the 4 aces, you can do whatever, but person B is right now, I think, still healing, and you'll have to really dig in. You'll have to really wait and keep showing this person that, rebirth is possible here. I don't see a person B willing to trust that easily right now. Let's take 3 cards of advice for Capricorn. What's the advice here, Spirit? I have a choice card again. One more. This reading is full of characters, the kings and queens, but yes, I think what Spirit is trying to tell you, Capricorn, yes, things have kind of come to a stagnancy, kind of come to a halt. There will be soon a need for you to make a decision, right? Right now there may be silence, or you may be trying to heal, or you are trying to listen to your intuition. Which whoever has made you feel like this, like the Queen of Pentacles in reverse, or made you feel ungrounded or unstable, it's time now to pick your sword up and ask the right questions. You're right in not maybe trusting immediately. You must be very discerning. You must ask the right questions and not allow anyone to take you for a ride before you make your final decision. right? It's very important for you to now show your strength. Yes, there is a possibility of a return. Somebody could be returning to your life, Capricorn, or you may return back to them. But now, instead of, your old self, it's time for you to pick yourself up and be a bit strong and look out for yourself. Okay, very soon this is all going to get sorted out, Capricorn. If you've been in hermit mode for a long time, you will be coming out. I do see a masculine who is very, very passionately in love with you. I hope they are going to dig in and work towards getting you back. But whatever said and done, once that clarity comes, Capricorn, I do see a lot of victory and happiness for you. Okay, so I don't know, this was a confusing reading. Leave a comment or two, let me know what's going on. Okay, love and light, take care, namaste.